Khan with my co-host Varsha, and welcome to our channel Tete with Shalini, Shikha and Varsha. So today is a World Physiotherapy Day, and we have our very eminent speaker on this, Dr. Girish Khan, who will be telling us about the importance of physiotherapy in our day-to-day life. But before I say anything, there is a little thing that I would like to share is I had a very small accident with a ligament tear on my knee, and Dr. Girish had given me a treatment, and you will not believe it, 4 weeks I had given him, because that was the 4 weeks that I had before an important occasion, and Dr. Girish helped me out with the exercises, with the treatment, and very soon my knee was strengthened and I was back into my stilettos, and that is why I really feel that he does a great job. And so Dr. Girish, now that you're here, we need to tell us what is physiotherapy.
जैसे हम सभी जानते हैं आजकल मॉडर्न लाइफ स्टाइल में बहुत सारी चीज़ें चेंज हो रही हैं. बेसिकली हमारा लाइफ स्टाइल, फूडिंग हैबिट्स, एवरीथिंग इज गेटिंग चेंज. क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन आल्सो चेंज. वर्किंग profiles are changing now. Earlier we are doing throughout the day work, sit-ups and it's like a ground activity. Now ultimately it's just stuck in the chairs, right? So ultimately like our lifestyle got stuck in a very small cabin under a very cold environment, like in central AC and all. The office are now AC, fully AC office. So ultimately your musculoskeletal disorder is going to grow. So ultimately you are just blocked with your work in a small area, in a chair, in different type chair. Sometimes they are not good for your, according to your height, weight and all, or around according to your surrounding. So where your physiotherapist can help you to get rid of all about your pains. They can just wash out your pain, they can strengthen you, they can stretch you, they can make you flexible, they can just increase your endurance and the capacity of the body. So it's overall we can say it's a mean of like a treatment by physical means. The body or the professional who work on your body physics, you can say.
So what you mean to say is that pehle we were doing a lot of physical activities,
yes.
But nowadays we are not doing so much of physical activities, so our body is not responding to a lot of the exercises that we need to do. So that motion, to keep that body going, we need a physiotherapist to actually help us stretch our bodies. Great. So what are the latest developments that we have in this?
So earlier as we started after Second World War, number of mishappening or the, like you can say, number of trauma happened to the soldiers and other parts. So that time the people have started hot fermentation, cold fermentation, bandaging, rehabilitation, everything. So you can say the first reference come from there only.
Okay.
After that many things came, sports came to the like highlights. So sports grow up very well. उसके बाद स्पोर्ट्स जिसमें पहले लोगों को पता ही नहीं होता था, लिगामेंट टियर हो गया, so they can just go to for the bed for 2 months, 3 months until they are not well, right? As you got the experience,
absolutely.
Right? If you go according to other professionals, you have to rest only, but it is not your solution. 3 months, 2 months, you can't rest on bed. Suppose if you are working or active member of the family, so you have to work. So they are like physiotherapists make you work very early or very secured manner. They will guide you each and everything, what you have to do, what you don't have, or what you have to do with your your conditions. So they will give a new way to live with those conditions also. So ultimately with time you will not get in psychologically down. Ultimately if anybody get injury, they get down. So सबसे पहले क्या होता है, इंसान मानसिक तौर पर और मेंटली डाउन हो जाता है कि मैं घर का खर्चा चलाता था, बच्चों की पढ़ाई कैसी होगी, वो सब चीजें. So ultimately indirectly ultimately they will be like your whole guide of your family. They will guide your family also कि हाँ आपको इनके साथ कैसे behave करना है, कैसे बात करना है, because these things very matters. Once you bed once you are bed now, you are the working part of the family, you feel so embarrassed to lie down on a bed. So the physiotherapist only the person who can make you run again, or who can give your life again.
Absolutely, that is interesting. And because I think mentally also you work on the patient, and you tell him this is the way that you do it, and this is how you will be able to function early. Right.
Anything in life is static that make you depressed. Suppose if you are just sitting in one cabin for a long time, you ultimately get depressed because you are just stick to this single environment. It's not dynamic. So जैसे जैसे लाइफ स्टैटिक होती है तो हमारे बॉडी के पैरामीटर भी उस तरह स्टैटिक होते हैं. So once any parameter of the body like your heart rate है, BP है, कुछ भी है, तो जैसे ही वो static होने का मतलब straight line you are dead. So it should be like that.
It should be, yes. So those ups and downs, and you know,
whatever parameter you see on the papers, they always comes ups and downs.
Yes.
If they static, medically you are dead.
that is
Yeah,
there. So
yeah.
yes, I think that makes sense. Yes,
Yes.
absolutely right.
So what can the physiotherapist professionals they can do for public health?
So like earlier, it is very small scope in whole world, not in only country. So now it's developing. Earlier only the physiotherapist is there. Now specialized physiotherapists, PhD physiotherapists are available in the market. Diplomates like us. So they are doing collaboration of number of techniques like arm physio, I have done chiro, I have done osteopathy, I have done sports training also, I have done ergonomic training also. So one physiotherapist has a number of brain. They can think like a scientist. If you are sitting here, what type of chair, what type of lights, what type of AC direction, right? So all the things they can decide for you. So in every segment, from you can say before your birth till your death, they are the like helping content in your life in medical field. आप जैसे during pregnancy कोई complication हो रहा है, they can handle those complications, they can handle your pain and all, right? So अगर बच्चे में कोई like disorder हो गया है early phase में, कोई बच्चा mentally retarded हो जाते हैं या फिर CP child होते हैं जो उनका ब्रेन में कभी like during pregnancy कोई compression हो गया, ऑक्सीजन कम गया, तो ब्रेन का डेवलपमेंट प्रॉपर नहीं होता. तो आप सोचिए वो प्रेगनेंसी के पहले दे कैन मेक यू प्लान. सो आफ्टर योर बर्थ और जब आप स्कूल गोइंग होते हैं, आप अब जैसे आजकल बहुत सारा कॉन्सेप्ट वर्क हो रहा है कि आपके बच्चों की स्कूल बैग्स लाइट होनी चाहिए. सो दीज आर द आइडिया ऑफ फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट, नॉट एनीवन एल्स. सो वंस यू ग्रो अप, तो आपका फ्लैट फुट है कि नहीं है, आप स्पोर्ट्स के लिए फिट हैं कि नहीं है, दे ऑल कैन बी डिसाइडेड बाय फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट. आपका लाइफ स्टाइल कैसा है या आपका हाइट क्या है, आपका वेट क्या है, उसके हिसाब से आप अपना प्रोफेशन चूज कर सकते हैं. सो दे कैन मेक यू इन योर ऑल द सेगमेंट, राइट? आप
For every part there is every segment and there are different types
so
of
you can think from
physiotherapists.
your before your birth till your that every life have a specialization. Right now you can see prenatal, postnatal care very important,
Yes.
child care very important हो गया है, right? उसके बाद टीनेज में कैसे आपका चीज़ों को ध्यान रखना, जैसे आजकल विटामिन डी की डेफिशिएंसी बहुत हो रही है, बच्चों के पोस्चर खराब हो रहे हैं ड्यू टू डिजिटलाइजेशन. आजकल ऑनलाइन क्लासेस हो रही हैं, बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स की कंप्लेन आ रही है कि बच्चों का कंसंट्रेशन कम हो रहा है, हेडेक हो रहा है, स्पाइन डिसऑर्डर हो रहा है, पेन हो रहा है. सो उतनी सारी चीजें हैं कि अब आप यू कैन थिंक द होल लाइफ नंबर ऑफ स्पेशलाइजेशन आर अवेलेबल राइट नाउ. सो व्हाटएवर द थिंग everywhere where physiotherapist role is available.
So no, so there are so many services that you give as you are talking about.
Yeah.
तो पहले तो you know we were not so aware about physiotherapy or a physiotherapist.
Yes, yes.
But nowadays we see that you know a lot of it has gaining importance.
Yes, yes.
So what are the fields of services like you were saying? What are the you know basic fields of services that you give?
Right, you can say we can start from hospital. So every
Okay.
district hospital now government have compulsion for a physiotherapy department.
Okay.
So whatever trauma case coming, whatever stroke, paralysis, accidental case, so post rehabilitation you have to like so you have to be a physiotherapy department in your hospital.
Okay.
So in hospital, in your schools, right, in your sports academy, in your gynae department, in ICU, these are very important role line in COVID situation. Physiotherapists are among the one of the most prestigious like medical professionals. They are helping you to get back into your lifestyle because once your lungs are weak, they are the only person who can strengthen your lung without any medicine.
Wow.
So with the help like in your surgeon's team, your MD's team, they are the aligned with these things, so they can help all the result to get more better result.
I'm like because we can have a surgery,
Yeah.
but उसके बाद post care
Right.
is a physiotherapist who will help out in
suppose
it.
if you are planning for any replacement surgery, so now it's develop a pre surgery protocol also. So like any surgery happen, muscle grade get down. So उस muscle grade को like stable रखने के लिए we start preparing. Suppose we have given a 1 month लाइक वेकर पेशेंट सर्जन से अपॉइंटमेंट है कि हम एक बार महीने बाद या 1.5 महीने बाद आपका सर्जरी करेंगे. सो पीपल आर गेट टू नो कि अब मैं 1 महीने क्या करूँ. सो दे यूज टू से यस आप अपने मसल को स्ट्रेंथन करिए कि जब आप पोस्ट ऑपरेटिवली जाएंगे तो आपको रिहैब करने में अच्छा लगेगा, जल्दी हो जाएगा, रिकवरी फेज आपका कम हो जाएगा और आपका पेन भी कम होगा. वंस you recover early, so ultimately painful life is get less.
There is one question actually which came into my mind, and I don't know whether it's valid or not. But you know, a lot of children are nowadays taking drugs.
Yeah.
So does physiotherapy help out in helping them wean out from that also?
Ultimately, you can say it's a more over the department or part of the psychologist counselor.
Okay.
But yes, once you get drug addict, your body ultimately get weak internally. Like you can say like it's like a steroid. Somebody take a steroid, body immune ultimately whole body as a whole strength get down. Physiotherapist what they will do, they will make you strengthen internally and externally also your lungs, your organ. So the exercise is the only part.
Counseling
Right. So this is a combined effort for those. A number of like centers also here. So they like counsel people, they strengthen people, they do yoga for them. So it's a multiple.
It's like a whole compact. Yes.
Compact effort for many professionals for drug addict people.
Oh, that's interesting. Yes.
So, what are the professional requirements to join the course of physiotherapy?
So first of all, you have to go with 12th with your medical field. You have a physics, chemistry, and bio. So you can join as a physiotherapist. Right now, in each and every university, there is a full-fledged department for physiotherapists.
Okay.
They will like learn there. They do practice there with their other fraternity like dental and medical and MBBS. So they along with them, they also have their like OPD, so they can practice there also. So it's a 4.5 year bachelor course, 2 year masters and 3 year PhD. So whatever like your choice. So if you are coming in this profession, so never think like it's just to go college and come. It's a very devoting profession.
Because you need to know the.
If you are like physiotherapist, you can't say no to anyone. Because if somewhere medicine going to stuck to work, you are the person who can make you them run. Any sports injury you can see, ligament break हो गया, medicine ने अपना काम कर दिया, rehabilitation physiotherapist की तरह से. So to get a bounce back in your life, physiotherapist is the tool.
Okay.
Right, tool to.
So to bounce back, you need a physiotherapist, right? Yeah.
So when can we contact a physiotherapist? Suppose if we are suffering for anything. So what is the right time to contact a physiotherapist?
Yeah, very good question. It's a very valid and good question. Or people are confused in this part. Once they feel pain, so they're confused where they to go. First they consult to their surroundings, so they get number of options. Then they go to doctor. So in India, ultimately the patient reach to the physiotherapist very late.
As a last resort.
As a last option.
Yes.
Either we can get it, otherwise we are the same. But it is not the right way to choose your professional. If you get pain, then ultimately body give you message. If you have any trauma, go to the medical practitioner. So earlier phase, any inflammation, any trauma, so you get treated for first day. If you are feeling नहीं मेरा तो एक routine से धीरे-धीरे gradual आ रहा है, postural आ रहा है, then you can contact the physio. Or any sprain है, so if you get to the physiotherapist, they will ultimately guide you. If you think your injury is grade 1 or 2, they can tackle you. If injury is more than that, you can go to the hospital also.
Okay. So what are the outcomes after the session, after conducting the physiotherapy sessions?
Yeah, so depend on your condition, what percentage of pain, what type of problem you have, right? So suppose you have pain, right? So once they will assess you, they will give you a whole assessment chart. मैम आपका पेन इतना है, आपका स्वेलिंग इतनी है, टेंडरनेस इतना है, ट्रिगर पॉइंट इतना है, मसल कौन सा टाइट है, मसल वीक कौन सा है. So according to assessment, side by side they plan a treatment. टाइट मसल की स्ट्रेचिंग प्लान करेंगे, वीक मसल के लिए स्ट्रेंथनिंग प्लान करेंगे, कोई मसल में स्वाजम है, ट्रिगर है, सो दे विल रिलीज इट मैनुअली और विद द हेल्प ऑफ मशीन आल्सो, राइट. So suppose in first session you according to you have a pain of 100% range. So So after that you feel 20%, 30% relief. So according to your body or your doctor also, therapist also, sometimes you feel yes, 80-90% people get pain relief in first session. A good percentage of pain relief in first session.
So, like we have a whole medical team in the hospitals.
Yeah.
So, as you said, physiotherapist is a very important factor in the medical team.
Yeah.
So, right, so can you elaborate on that?
या सो जैसे एक सिंपल सी चीज़ है कि आप सपोज करिए कोई आपको ट्रॉमा हुआ, जैसे बड़े हॉस्पिटल में आप जाते हैं, आप बड़े हॉस्पिटल में इसलिए जाते हैं कि यू हैव अ सम इमरजेंसी और अ ट्रॉमा, राइट, बिकॉज छोटी कंसल्टेशन जस्ट फीवर के लिए आप प्रेफर नहीं करते अनटिल अनलेस इट्स नॉट क्रॉनिक, बिकॉज कोशिश रहती है कि आपके सराउंडिंग में जो भी अच्छा प्रैक्टिशनर है, बिकॉज वंस वी गेट क्रिटिकल देन वी गो टू द हॉस्पिटल, राइट. सो अब हॉस्पिटल आप सपोज किसी भी कंडीशन के लिए जाएंगे, राइट, तो उसका एक इम्पैक्ट क्या है. जैसे आपने सपोज करिए आपने मेडिसिन अपने आप से ट्राई किया, आपने 1 महीने 1.5 महीने पेन किलर लिया, वो ठीक नहीं हुआ. अब इसके 2 तरीके हो सकते हैं. उससे एक तो पेन किलर आपकी बॉडी का स्ट्रेंथ अल्टीमेटली कम करता है, राइट. तो पहली चीज़ है कि एक तो जो आपने अपने आप को डायग्नोज किया या आपने जो समझा कि मुझे इस वजह से पेन है और आप अपने हिसाब से मेडिसिन ले रहे हैं, तो दैट इज़ रॉन्ग डायग्नोसिस. सो अल्टीमेटली यू गो टू द हॉस्पिटल, यू डायग्नोज प्रॉपरली, चाहे आप फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट के पास जाएं या लाइक डॉक्टर्स के पास या एलोपैथी प्रैक्टिस के पास. बट हाँ, अगर आपको लगता है कि मेरा डायग्नोसिस और मेरा ये प्रॉब्लम क्रिटिकल है, बहुत ड्यूरेशन है, सो आई प्रेफर कि आप सिस्टमिकली उसको प्लान करें. जब आपको लगता है 1.5-2 महीने आप मेडिसिन खा चुके हैं, ठीक नहीं हो रहे, देन यू लाइक कंसल्ट टू योर कंसर्न स्पेशलाइजेशन. Then you go to the, they will refer, ultimately they will refer you to this training. अगर आपको सपोज लाइक कोई टीबी है, COPD है, अस्थमा है, तो अल्टीमेटली डॉक्टर बोलते हैं आपको एक्सरसाइज करना है. अब वो आपका चॉइस है, आप उसको योगा ट्रेनर के साथ भी लोग प्रेफर करते हैं इफ दे गॉट अ गुड ट्रेनर. अदरवाइज फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट इज द पर्सन हु आर स्पेशलाइज्ड इन एक्सरसाइज. So any type of problem concerned with exercise, he is the or she is the only solution.
In fact, in the sports, we have seen that sports world, physiotherapy is gaining a lot of importance.
Yeah, you can see there's a only profession where the physiotherapist side will decide whether you play or not.
Exactly.
You have number of time you have seen player get sprained
Hamstring, pull
people
hand,
come
you
in a
know,
small
yeah.
bag, they will just
Yes.
grab and tackle it and manipulate it and then you are again playing.
Yes.
So he is the person make you again like bounce back, as I said earlier. So ultimately once you want to get it, yes, I'm getting this down with the strength, psychological moral, physiotherapist will help you to get out from all this. They will make you strengthen. Once you are strengthened, you can do your work. Once you do your work, you are ultimately happy with all the things.
Absolutely. So Dr. Girish, ये बताइए कि where can we contact you? Do you have a clinic?
Yeah.
Where can we, by what name?
Yeah, we have 2 clinics. One named is Physiomagic. It's a clinic specialized for women and child issue. And we have a second clinic. This is our earlier started in 2015. So it is like a 15-bed clinic, almost 10 to 12 staff working regularly as before COVID. So where all the type of condition, आपका stroke हो, paralysis है, sports injury है, orthopedic injury, कोई भी चीज़ है, all things are like tackling there. So we have a huge and good team. So like every type of things or every type of pain,
With latest
with latest modality and latest thing available in the world, not in India
Techniques
only.
that are available,
Okay.
yes.
Yeah.
So that is great, So knowing from Dr. Girish about physiotherapy, this is just a tip of what we were trying to tell you. But how important it is, I'm sure we have all learned from him. And we can always contact him. We will leave his numbers and his clinic address in our description box. So where, you can contact Dr. Girish. And since I have actually, been through with his physiotherapy treatment, I can vouch on it that he does definitely a very great job. So I think before हम जो ये घर के नुस्खे अपनाते हैं to मालिश कर लें, it is nice, but before it gets really bad, please contact a physiotherapist because your life will be back again on the track and that is going to make you mobile again. So till we meet again with another episode, thank you and have a great day.